Pneumatic cutting tool, your efficient solution for pipe end cutting. The pneumatic cutting tool in the video is a specialized tool we tailor-made for customers to achieve efficient pipe end cutting. What makes it stand out? By simply replacing the cutting mandrel, one single pneumatic gun can cut copper pipes of different diameters. This not only saves your cost on multiple tools, but also streamlines your production workflow. As a professional manufacturer of heat exchanger and evaporator 2-in-1 equipment, we do more than just produce custom-made equipment based on your needs. We are committed to providing you with comprehensive and effective production solutions that truly address your processing challenges. If you're looking to upgrade your production processes, boost production efficiency, or have specific requirements for your equipment, feel free to send us your details. Our team will work closely with you to develop the most suitable equipment that aligns with your goals, helping you stay ahead in the competitive